Hi, I'm going to showcase my wall running and grappling hook systems in Unreal Engine 4. Right now I'm going to showcase my wall running system that I've made. So basically this system allows player to wall run on different objects like walls that has a certain tag called wall. It's like when a new created capsule trigger called wall capsule is detects a mesh with the tag wall. It allows player to just like stop falling down and allows him to just like run on the wall just like without any gravity, and it resets also your player's double jump if it has any. So just like if you double jump and run on the wall, it resets, and also tilts the as animation tilts the player. The next system I want to show you right now is my grappling hook system. First of two grappling hooks that I made, and they're quite different. First one is physics based, so just like your player creates new actor called hook point at the place where he's looking, so just like this, and attaches to the player, and it just doesn't allow the player to fall off, and also allows him to gain velocity, just like on this simple rope, like a rope swing. The only drawback of this system is that first, it's in order to create a hook point, an actor, when you detach you have to delete it, and sometimes it creates errors with it. The second drawback is that the systems require two different inputs. Later I can improve it by just like creating only one input, but for now it's two. Just like here, when left mouse is pressed, it looks for hook point and creates it, and while it's connected, it applies math, and just like it performs this rope swing action. The next system that I made is not physics based. It's just like in the grappling hook in the Batman games, like Batman Arkham Origins, when the point that you're looking for, the game checks if it's a static world mesh, and basically accelerates your player to this location. For example, if you press F, it teleports him on a rope, just like where you're looking for. But if the distance is too high, you can't really grapple to it. And just like really hidden mechanic is if you press space to detach from this hook right at the last seconds, you'll get its acceleration. Yeah, just like this. This system is much more not so complex because it doesn't use any math systems for it. It just simply takes the location of where you're looking at, and then transforms, just like accelerates player's position to its location. Simply that's it, and only uses one input called F. If I were to choose, I would recommend more using the physics based, because it's much more entertaining to use. But what I can really improve in the future is my wall running system, because it doesn't really, the animations for the tilt is not really working properly. For example, it's tries to detect if your player is if mesh is on the left or right side of the player, and then it tilts based on that. And what is bad about this pool running is that it requires a player to have high velocity in order to run on it really smoothly. Just like this. I think that's all other explanation about these systems and how they're working are in my documentation. So I think that's it for my showcase of my systems. Thank you.